Tired of ugly fences or cobwebs blocking your secret base? Let's build a seamless 2x2 piston door in Minecraft that will have your friends wondering how you ever got in. First, we'll dig a small area, place two sticky pistons facing each other, 2 blocks apart. Ensure the face of the piston is what's facing the doorway. Now, directly behind each of these pistons, place another sticky piston, also facing the same direction. Next, we need to power these pistons on the outer side of each of the 4 sticky pistons you just placed. Position a block now. Place redstone dust on top of each of those blocks. We're going to connect these redstone lines. Dig a 2-block deep trench beneath the pistons, extending out 1 block on each side. Place a redstone repeater in the trench directly under the redstone dust on the outer pistons. Set these repeaters to the maximum delay by right-clicking them 3 times. Now, run redstone dust in that trench, connecting the repeaters above ground. Where the trench ends, place a block. Place redstone dust on top of this block, connecting to the redstone dust on the outer pistons. Repeat this on the other side. We're almost there. Dig a single block out from the center of the trench. Directly behind the inner pistons, place a torch on the side of that block, facing the inner piston. Do this on both sides. You should see your pistons extend. Now, cover up your redstone. Place blocks over the torches and connect them with redstone dust. Then, cover the area around the pistons neatly. Finally, place pressure plates on the blocks directly in front of your door, on both sides, and there you have it, a perfectly hidden 2x2 piston door.